parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. तो persuade का मतलब होता है convince करना. So you would have seen during the time of campaigning, election campaign का मतलब होता है कि election से पहले जो parties अपने पॉलिसीज़ को एडवर्टाइज़ करते हैं, लोगों के बीच जाके अपनी पार्टी के प्रमोशन के लिए बात करते हैं. द विजन एंड द मिशन ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज़ द एजेंडा ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, और उसी एजेंडा को ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शन कैंपेनिंग द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज दे प्रमोट. ओके, तो वो परसुएट करते हैं पीपल को कि क्यों उनकी पॉलिसीज़ जो हैं दैट इज़ बेटर दैन अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़. They seek to implement these policies by winning popular support. Popular support का मतलब होता है support of people through election. अब ये support of people किससे मिलता है? Election से मिलता है. Okay, elections होता है, we vote for them, and if we are voting for them means we are supporting them. Now that is called as popular support. So during the time of election campaign, there are number of promises made by the political parties. If you remember, Mr. Narendra Modi during the time of election promised that he would revoke Article 370 जो एक special status देता था जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को. He did that. Then he also talked about abolition of triple talaq because that goes against the ethos of secularism. Preamble में अपने पढ़ा है that India is a secular country. So what this party believed in? The party believed in that we must implement uniform civil code. अब uniform civil code का क्या मतलब होता है? See, there are two things, Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code. तो हमारे लॉ में या हमारी कंट्री में दो तरह के लॉज होते हैं, सिविल लॉज एंड क्रिमिनल लॉज. तो क्रिमिनल लॉज हम उनको बोलते हैं जिनसे सोसाइटी को एट लार्ज, जो सोसाइटी की फैब्रिक एट लार्ज हिट होती है. ओके, लाइक वी कैन से मर्डर से एक रॉन्ग मैसेज जाता है सोसाइटी में. बट सिविल लॉज कौन से होते हैं? 1 to 1, दैट इज मैरिज, अडॉप्शन, डिवोर्स, इनहेरिटेंस. नाउ एनी गवर्नमेंट, इनफैक्ट दिस इज अ DPSP, आर्टिकल 44 जो है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसीज, इट सेज दैट द गवर्नमेंट मस्ट implement यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड. So Narendra Modi government promised that we will abolish triple talaq under this uniform civil code. मतलब civil laws सबके लिए same होने चाहिए. Civil laws should not vary from religion to religion. Okay, so the government did that. But what is the basic problem? That we, the people, we only see what has not been done. We don't appreciate what has been done. Okay, anyways, thus parties reflect political fundamental divisions in a society. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involve partisanship. So partisan is already defined in your book, a person who is strongly committed to a party, group or faction. Any person is a part of the organization or a party, and that person keeps sticking to the ideology of the party. That is called as partisanship. Okay, so if you see, parties are about a part of the society and thus involve partisanship. Thus a party is known by which part it stands for, which policies it supports and whose interests it upholds. So if you see BJP, it has always been said that it stands for those policies which shows a bend towards Hinduism. Of course it is not so. If you see, abolishing triple talaq does not support Hinduism. It actually supports the women who belong to this community. But what do the people look it as? It look it as in this manner. But actually if you see, BJP is a party which believes in सबका साथ and सबका विकास. This is not my view. This is the view of people in general. I am not imposing my view on you. Okay, it is what people believe in. That it is coming out towards, it is coming out with a holistic approach, that whatever is needed for the people, that needs to be done, and it upholds the interest of all the citizens irrespective of any religion. A political party has 3 components. The leaders, जो पार्टी को लीड करता है वो लीडर हो गया. द एक्टिव मेंबर्स, ओके, अब उसके कुछ एक्टिव मेंबर्स होते हैं. तो लीडर कौन हो गया अभी के कंटेक्स्ट में? मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी. एक्टिव मेंबर्स, if you talk about the most active member would be Amit Shah. Okay, then we have Mr. Rajnath Singh. Who are these? These are the active members. And then the followers. The lowest component is the followers, one who believe in the ideology of the political parties. Now, what are the functions? If there is a political party, of course it has to perform certain functions. So what functions does a political party do? Basically, political parties fill political offices and exercise political power. Parties do so by performing a series of functions. So the first and the foremost function is parties contest elections. In most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by political parties. Parties select their candidates in different ways. In some countries, such as the USA, members and supporters of a party choose its candidates. Now, more and more countries are following this method. In other countries like India, top party leaders choose candidates for contesting election. तो सबसे पहला फंक्शन होता है कि पार्टीज को इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करना होता है. आप इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करिएगा, then only you can form government. Okay, so in most of the democracies, इलेक्शंस जो हैं दे आर अमंग द कैंडिडेट्स. जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, जब ये नॉमिनेशन होता है, आई मीन इफ़ यू हैव टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन, आपको इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ से टिकट मिलता है. वो टिकट इज़ अ गारंटी, okay, that now you can contest election. Now the political parties, they themselves decide that which person is fit for contesting the election. Now they see the popularity of the person, they see whether the person has a criminal background or not. Would this person be able to garner the support of people? So the first thing is that the political parties select the candidate who would be contesting the election. And once that is decided, the person applies the election commission. If the criterion is fulfilled, he gets a ticket and thus he is fit to contest election. Parties put forward different policies and programs. तो policies and programs तो present करना ही है. Then only the people can see that whether this political party is needed or not. क्या उनके policies and programs वही हैं जो वो aspire कर रहे हैं. Each of us may have different opinions and views on what policies are suitable for the society. There is a section of society जो आज तक ये feel करता है कि abolition of triple talaq goes against only one particular religion. तो because we are human beings we are thinking animals. तो थिंकिंग एनिमल्स का मतलब ये नहीं कि हम सब एक ही जैसा सोचेंगे, हम सब अलग अलग सोचते हैं. तो कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर मुझे बीजेपी की आइडियोलॉजी अच्छी लग रही है तो आप लोगों को भी लगती होगी. वी ऑल हैव डिफरेंट व्यूज़. सो उनकी पॉलिसीज़ और प्रोग्राम्स को देखना इसलिए समझना ज़रूरी होता है कि क्या उनकी सोच मेरी सोच से मिल रही है. देन ओनली आई विल वोट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पार्टी. बट कीप इट इन माइंड दैट नो गवर्नमेंट कैन हैंडल such a large variety of views. India is a huge democratic country. And there is a very famous saying, you cannot keep everyone dry under a single umbrella. सबको खुश रखना possible नहीं. So now it depends on the people that what kind of policies they want, and in that lieu they vote for that particular party which they think would be working for the welfare of their people. Okay, so I'll not teach more than this. So you try to go through the chapter and try to get the essence of the chapter, and we'll meet again in the next lecture. Thank you.